welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite products and some of the products that you must have from the upcoming Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So this sale is one of the biggest sale that they organize throughout the year, where they have products on discount up to 40%. Yes, you heard me right. It's up to 40%. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite products. I have also done this look using the same products that I'm going to share with you in this video, and I will upload this video where I'm going to show you how I did this makeup with the same products very soon, because you guys know I upload a video every week. And before I just start rumbling about other things, let's just get started. But please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and now let's get started. To start up, I have done my brows using the PAC Cosmetics Eyebrow Definer. It is a palette of 4 powder products, and honestly guys, this is a beautiful and it's such a good product because you have 4 different colors, and you can use this as an eyeshadow as well. Next up is the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade Skin Tone. I will leave down all the products and their details in the description box down below for you guys to check it out later. But this NYX eyeshadow base is a must-have, guys. It is such a lovely product because it just makes your eyeshadow pop out a little more, and it also cancels out the discoloration and the little bit pigmentation you have in your eyes, just to bring out the color of the eyeshadow. So I highly recommend this product. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to recommend you one eyeshadow palette, and this is going to be the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Rosé in the Air. It has got a lovely variety of nude colors and also 2 colors that are extremely bright, which is the pinkish rose color and a bricky orange color. This palette is pigmented, like it is really pigmented. You can see I have only used this eyeshadow palette on my eyes, and this is such a small and lightweight palette, guys. You can actually carry it in your purse and wherever you go. For my mascara, I have used the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I really like this, guys. I like all the products, that's why I'm sharing with you, but this mascara is also extremely nice. The only thing that I don't like about this is it's waterproof, and the time it takes to take out waterproof mascara, for me, I just get so tired, and that's why I don't end up liking waterproof mascaras. But hold on right there. This wand is phenomenal, and for both top and bottom lashes, guys, it's a beautiful mascara. You must get your hands on this. Next up, I've used the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is a really nice primer again. It is extremely transparent. It has no color whatsoever, and it is a little thick, but I love the fact that it spreads so evenly and it gives you a smooth and flawless finish to apply your foundation on. Next up, to correct my under eyes, I have used the Nykaa Blur Stick, guys, and this is again a must-have for all those out there with dry skin types, and this is extremely moisturizing, and this is currently my favorite. Yes, because I've used this in almost all my videos. You can check out my Instagram post, and honestly guys, this is a must-have. You must get your hands on this. Next, for my foundation, I've used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, guys, for the past month or a couple of weeks, I would say. I have been trying to excel my foundation skills, but I was so unable and disappointed that it was not coming up to my expectations. And then I tried the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, guys, and honestly, my husband came up to me and he was like, oh my god, what have you done to your face? You look pretty. So yes, I highly recommend this. Go grab this now to look extremely flawless, and you will be never disappointed. To conceal my under eyes, I have used the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I am in the shade Medium, guys. You are going to love this concealer because it is extremely pigmented, super lightweight, and it just blends like a dream, and it gives you that flawless coverage on your under eyes and other places where you apply this, like a little bit on the forehead. So I highly recommend this. Plus the applicator is so soft, and this really goes a long way. Since we're talking about cream products, I highly recommend the Sugar Cosmetics Cream Blush Stick. This is in the shade Mauve Marble, guys. I love this color because it just goes perfectly with all the looks that you're trying to create. And you know, this is a no-brainer. Whatever, if you're not understanding the color that you need to apply on your cheeks, then this is the stick that you must own. To set my face, I love to use the K-Beauty loose setting powder. I am in the shade Almond, and I love this powder, guys. It is so finely milled. It also has a mesh so that, you know, you don't end up picking up excess powder and don't end up applying it on your face to look a little extra cakey. So this is a must-have product. To give our face a little warmth, I love to use the Wet n Wild bronzing powder, and this is amazing, guys. This is so soft. This is also extremely matte, and I think it's the perfect shade of brown for all skin types and skin tones, and hence I highly recommend this product. For my blush, I like to use the blush from Balm Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Cabana Boy. I really like this, guys, because it's such a soft color for your skin, and you know, you can wear it in the day. It's a really soft color, and that's why I recommend this. And it also has a small mirror, which I really like, so you can, you know, on the go, if you're not feeling so fresh and you know, dewy or something, then you can just apply it on your cheeks even with your fingers, and then you're good to go. For the natural glow, I want to recommend you the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, because this is such a subtle highlighter. If you're not fond of too much highlighter, then this is the product you need to have, because this just gives you that subtle glow that everyone wants even during the day. This does not look very cakey or on the face, so I highly recommend this product to you guys. For my lips, I've used a combination of two lipsticks, and both of them are from Nykaa. I'm not very sure of the name of the category of this lipstick, but this is an extremely nice lipstick, guys, because it just glides onto your lips beautifully. At the beginning, it is extremely moisturizing, but after a while, it becomes matte, and that's what I love about this. To top it up, I have applied the Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Girl. I am loving this lipstick, guys. This is an extremely moisturizing yet matte lipstick. Again, it becomes matte. Like, as you can see, my lips are extremely matte, and that's why I love this combination. I have been using this so much, I can't even tell you. But I love this shade Gul because it is a perfect dupe for the Smashbox lipstick that was made for Indian skin tones. So I highly recommend a combination of these two. Guys, some more products that I highly recommend you buy from the Nykaa Pink sale, even though I have not used while creating this look, are the PAC Cosmetics Cream Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Aqua Black. I love this eyeliner, guys. This is extremely matte. I love matte eyeliners, and this is so pigmented. Even if you're doing a black smoky eye and you can apply this as a base, you honestly will be so happy. You will not have to apply so much black eyeshadow. This will do the job for you, and that's why I recommend this eyeliner. While you're at it, I highly recommend the metallic eyeshadow sticks from K-Beauty. I have all the colors, guys, of the range of the eyeshadow sticks because they are extremely pigmented and they blend equally well. So I highly recommend them. If you want, I can do a video for you guys where I can show you how to create a super simple smoky look with only cream crayons from this brand. So do let me know in the comment section down below, and I would be very happy to create them for you, as you guys know. Even though I'm not wearing false lashes because my mascara is outstanding, I would highly recommend two brands for eyelashes. The one is from Nykaa, and that the one that I recommend is called the OG, and the other pair of false lashes that I highly recommend are from PAC Cosmetics in number 203, or you can get your hands on 53. Trust me, you will not be disappointed with either of them. So this is it from my side for this video, and I will see you very soon in my next video where I will be sharing with you the products from the luxury brands from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. You know the rules, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.